Welcome to week 10, where we'll discuss Google's new major core update, updated quality rater guidelines, and a new rich result format. Here is an overview. Google has announced an in-depth core update, which is a broad algorithmic update targeting low-quality content and introducing new spam policies to target domains attempting to manipulate the search engine. This update is expected to take up to a month to fully roll out, which is twice as long as usual. Therefore, this core update is also compared to some of the major updates in history, such as Panda and Penguin, and we are already seeing significant changes in search results both nationally and internationally. The update focuses on reducing useless content by 40% on the search engine and emphasizes improving the user experience by prioritizing high quality and relevant content. 4 significant changes in the assessment of link signals are introduced, which affect rankings and require a revisit to link building strategies. Additionally, insights into manual actions, known as manual penalties, show a stricter approach to enforcing Google's guidelines, highlighting the importance of following the ethical SEO guidelines. In other words, compliance with EEAT. People in SEO should therefore prioritize content quality, adapt to the updated documentation on link signals, and ensure compliance with Google's guidelines to effectively navigate through the changes. This is also the first core update since November and comes at a good time in terms of where Google's focus is right now. With new technologies developed and continued prevalence of thin AI content on the internet, it appears that Google, on behalf of both users and website owners, needs to clean up and shine a light on those who actually deserves it. It will be interesting to follow over the next month, after which conclusions can be drawn on the effect of the update. Following the new core update, Google has updated its search quality evaluator guidelines with a focus on the credibility of websites. The update to these guidelines emphasizes how quality raters identify untrustworthy websites and content through specific characteristics, which are illustrated with examples in the updated guidelines. These guidelines serve as a reference for Google's quality raters, who can also be referred to as quality evaluators. This is used to assess the credibility and quality of websites, which indirectly as feedback influences the development of Google search algorithms. Everyone in SEO should therefore focus on producing high quality and credible content and regularly review these guidelines to align with Google standards to improve their chances of ranking high in search results. We conclude with another news from Google. Google has announced a new carousel-rich result format that can display lists of local businesses, products, and events in a scrolling carousel. This format requires the use of item list structured data with specifications for each item, such as price, reviews, and images. This feature is currently in beta and aims to provide users with a more dynamic and informative search experience. For us in SEO, this emphasizes the overall value of implementing structured data to improve visibility and engagement in Google search results. Therefore, make sure your strategy is up to date on structured data. If you want to know more about what's happening on the search engine or just stay updated on SEO, then subscribe to our newsletter and channel here. We'll then give you the most important news as it comes.